Let's talk about factoring and canceling. In this example, we're asked to find the limit of this rational function. We'll start by using direct substitution to see if we end up with an indeterminate form or not. So we plug in 1 for x, and what we end up with is negative 2 over 0, which means the limit does not exist. Remember that a number over 0 is not an indeterminate form, and therefore you don't need to do any further analysis here. Okay, now let's take a look at an example where we do need to do further analysis. With this limit, if we were to plug in t equals 2, we would end up with indeterminate form 0 over 0. So, as the name suggests, I'm going to try and factor the numerator, and hopefully one of the factors will cancel out with the factor in the denominator, the t minus 2. When factoring, we'll assume that one of the factors will be equivalent to the t minus 2 factor down below, because our hope is they'll cancel out, and that would stop us from dividing by 0. With that assumption, hopefully we can see that this factor becomes t minus 4. With that, we go ahead and cancel out our like terms, and now we're left with the limit of t minus 4 as t approaches 2. Note that t minus 4 is a polynomial term. We can now just do direct substitution here. Therefore, we plug in 2, we get 2 minus 4, which ends up being negative 2. So our original limit here is equal to negative 2. What do you think? Does this technique make sense?